In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone on Hootsuite, a step-by-step tutorial for 2025. If you're managing multiple social media accounts, ensuring your posts go live at the right time is crucial. This often means dealing with different time zones, especially if you're coordinating posts that reach a global audience. Fortunately, Hootsuite provides a straightforward way to adjust your time zone settings, helping you streamline your social media operations. Let's dive right in and see how you can get this done. First things first, let's log into your Hootsuite account. Head over to hootsuite.com and enter your login details as you normally would to get to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your main interface, and all your tools and streams will be available here. Navigating through Hootsuite is relatively easy, but if you're unsure of where to go next, don't worry. I'll guide you through every step. Now that you're on your dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the page. There, you'll find your profile icon. Click on it. Once clicked, a drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select My Profile or Account and Settings. Both options typically lead you to your account's settings hub, where you can customize your profile preferences and configure various settings according to your needs. Next, let's make our way to the time zone settings. Look to the left-hand menu and click on either Settings or Profile. Here, you'll encounter several options related to your account preferences. What you're looking for is the section that includes your time zone information. Scan the page until you see a field labeled Time Zone. To make the necessary changes, click either the Edit button or the pencil icon adjacent to the time zone setting. Doing so will open up a drop-down menu featuring a variety of time zones. Confidently select the correct time zone from this list that aligns with your intended posting schedule. After selecting it, be sure to hit Save Changes to lock in your selection. This will update your profile's time zone, thus aligning all your scheduled activities accordingly. Once your changes are saved, it's a good idea to verify that everything is correctly set up. All your previously scheduled posts should now reflect the updated time zone. A great way to confirm this is by navigating to Publisher and then clicking on Scheduled Posts. Ensure that the timing of these posts matches your expectations. This simple check provides peace of mind, ensuring your carefully planned content calendar proceeds without a hitch. And there you have it. With these steps, you've adjusted your time zone settings in Hootsuite effortlessly. By keeping your time zone up to date, you can ensure your audience receives your content just when you want them to, maximizing engagement and maintaining consistency across your social media platforms. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling.